Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have seen a lot of videos using Python since last 1.5 year, like basics programs on Python, like socket programming using Python. We have seen web development using Python. We have seen data science like Excel connectivity in Python. I hope I will be back with more and more creative videos on data science, Excel connectivity using Python with different types of graphs and visualization. We have seen machine learning using Python with many more videos. We have seen natural language processing using Python. I have been struggling a lot for this topic. We have seen face recognition and face detection using Python, a lot of videos, using Streamlit also and using tkinter library also. We have seen attendance system using Python with lot of videos on Streamlit and lot of videos on tkinter library, very popular library in Python. We also seen image classification using TensorFlow and Keras with model CNN. We have also seen using Flask face recognition, face detection. Then we have seen login and registration using face, using machine learning using Python, and many more videos on attendance system using Python. Today I am going to show you a QR attendance using Python, something creative. So please watch this video up till end. QR code attendance system using Python. I will show you first of all the initial state of the program. Here attend one file is there, QR in which, and then bg.png file is there, and sanjaymahajan.png this file is there, of which I want to create the QR code, and student.txt is there, in which there are QR numbers, and one is Attend.py and Generate.py. Now we will go through the browser is not required. Now we will go to file, that is Generate.py. Here it is telling that sanjaymahajan.png. Now QR code will be generated. We can watch here, and so I will execute the program. Yes, QR code has been generated. We can see here. Yes, my QR code has been generated. Fine. You can see here my QR code is generated. You can see here. Yes, fine. I will show you little bit. No, it is not. The 200. Yes, my QR code has been generated. Fine. Now I will check the QR code. Now I will execute the program to give attendance of QR code using attendance. So that is, yes, here second branch IT section B period 2 years. Submit. Yes, fine. Yes, now we can see here Excel file is generated March 31 to. So I successfully done with QR code attendance system using Python with machine learning. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python, using TensorFlow, using Keras, using CNN, if possible support vector machine, then Skylern, then more and more videos on face recognition and this thing. So if possible, React.js, Node.js, one stack, full stack. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.